here at Trumpf at Hall 12.0, and we found quite an interesting printer, and Roland over here is going to tell us more about the TruPrint 5000. Roland, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Yeah, this is our new TruPrint 5000. It's really the world premiere for this year, so we added to this machine our unique green laser technology, where we can really produce pure copper at a very high quality with perfect density and electrical connectivity.
And right across the hall is the TruPrint 1000 that has its world premiere. How would you say are these two printers different?
Yeah, so if you look at our portfolio, so the TruPrint 1000 is our smallest machine, specially designed for dental applications. And here we have really our workhorse. It's also a series production machine. We have 500-degree preheating in our cylinder concept. It really helps a lot with serial production.
And well, from what I've heard, this copper part's the only one in the entire Formnext. Is that correct?
So I would say because of the pureness of that copper, you won't see that quality in a similar way here on other booth. This is really unique, and as I said, the green laser technology is what gives us here quite a deep advantage. Yeah.
Well, Roland, thank you. You've been a delight to talk to for all the information and for showing us around.
Yeah, you're welcome. It's nice being here.
Have a great time at Formnext.
Thank you, you too.